Hi friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the access modifiers in Java. Access modifier. Access modifiers are used to set the accessibility of classes, constructors, methods and variables of Java. Access modifiers specify specify that who can access the class, constructor, methods and variable. There are there are four types of access modifiers in Java: public, private, protected and default. First one is public. The public access modifier is specified using the keyword public. The public access modifier can be used with class, constructor method, instance variable, static variable, but local variable can't be public. If we declare local variable as a public, then it will gives us an error. Public means uh, can access the constructor method variables outside the class, within the same package and outside the package. It means it can be accessible from anywhere in application. Private. The private access modifier is specified using the keyword private. The method or data members are declared as private are accessible any within the class in which they are declared. Any other class with same package with will not be able to access these members. Private access modifiers used within a method, constructor and instance and static variable, but not with a local variable. The outer class cannot be private. Protected. The protected access modifier is specified using a keyword protected. The method or data members declared as protected are accessible within the same class and with the same package. It if we can't to access it we can't to access outside the package, then mo- we have to make a relation with the class by the extending the class. Used we used as same as private. Default. When there is no access modifier is specified for a class method or data member, then it having a default access modifier by default. Default accessibility is only within the same package. Thank you.